If you're looking for a better way to brainstorm and write your content, then you need to check out HelloScribe. In this video, I'm going to give you my full review of HelloScribe and show you how it works. Say goodbye to long hours and frustrating writer's block and say hello to the future of marketing with HelloScribe. So HelloScribe is a AI powered cloud-based application that gives you a set of 80 different copywriting tools, and these tools are spread across different categories which are going to be very helpful to write different kind of content. So in a nutshell, how it works, you just need to enter your prompt on any of the automated tool and describe what you want. Then you get the unlimited ideas and content tailored to your specific request, and then you just need to pick up those outputs and edit them as you wish and publish them on different platforms. So this is how the members area of HelloScribe looks like. And once you logged in, this is the kind of dashboard you're going to see. On the top right, you're going to see your account, your profile, your email address, and on the left, the first option you're going to see is the projects, where all your projects and activities and your notes are going to be stored. And then all these different tools are there. There are tools for brainstorming, and under brainstorming category, you have got this set of all these different tools which you can see right now, like blog post ideas, brainstorm unlimited, crisis response. And similarly for brand message as well, you're going to get these different tools, and accordingly, whichever tool you would like to use depending on your need, you can select that. Let me show you more of these tools. Then you have the Copywriter Pro, and under Copywriter Pro you have got these ad headlines. You can generate ad ideas, Google ads. You have also got these different framework templates: AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action; before, after, bridge, feature to benefit, and problem, agitate, solve, which is called as PASS. Then you have the correspondence tool, which is basically to write different kind of emails, memos, letters, press releases, call script, public apology. That's a good one. Then you have got the first draft writer, and using which you can write a long form blog post. Then you have the creative writing tool, and under creative writing you've got all these different sub tools, which is storyteller, blurb, logline, plot summary, character sketch, creative rationale. Then we look at the headline genius, and you can generate different headlines for different social media platforms or blogs, or for your ad request you can generate the headlines using this. Then you have got the media pitch. Again, if you want to pitch something to the media, you can just use this particular tool. And then they have the question creator, and under this, so if you are looking to interview someone or do some research, you can accordingly select that particular tool and enter your input, and you can generate whatever you need. Then you have the quote maker, which is a good one. So you can generate a quote out of anything what you have in your mind. Then you have the social media, and under social media you have got the caption generator, which is very popular for TikTok videos, Instagram posts. You can generate LinkedIn post, Quora answers, that's a good one, social post, video description for YouTube, Twitter thread, Twitter post, viral hook. So a lot of options. And then you have the writer's toolkit, and that will give you all these different tools for blog intro, bullet points, conclusion, essay intro, essay outline, proposal summary, simplify, speech intro. So that's those are a lot of tools. As I said, 80 tools combined into one single application. And then you have got these settings which are there, where you can have your billing and the account settings, and you can also assign multiple members in your team to HelloScribe. And then they have got this help in tutorial, so if you need any help, you can use their help center to review and see if you're stuck somewhere. So all the necessary information is provided inside the help as well. Like the guides are there, which will give you for each and every tool. So let me now show you how to create a project. Let's say I want to create a project. So I go into projects and I click on new project, and then I just want to give it a name, so I'll give it a test. So you can also put a website name, which is optional, and I'll just click on continue, and then it will give you all these different categories. So what kind of project you're looking for. So basically what it does, let's say you want to generate a media pitch, then it will go into this particular tool option, which is there on the left side. So it will pick up those tools. And let me go back and let's try to do something else. Let's do social media. So social media, let's say I want a video description. I can enter what would you like to create. So I want to create a YouTube uh, a description for HelloScribe AI along with its features and benefits for users. And once you type in something, once you give the prompt, so it will also give you tell you like if the length is perfect or if you want to increase the length. And then you can select the tone or the style. So you can select uh, informative. So once you type anything in, it will just give you different prompts, like you can see, which is very good. I haven't seen this kind of feature in any other AI copywriter tool. So informative, and then I click on generate, and then it's going to do the magic, and here you have all the outputs. So let's review it. Are you looking for an AI powered assistance to help improve the quality and accuracy of your writing? Look no further than HelloScribe AI. The video will demonstrate how powerful the tool can provide you fast, reliable, and comprehensive proofreading and editing services. Find out more about the features and benefits that makes HelloScribe so great. Well, these are quite good, and I will be using one of these outputs in this particular video description as well. Let's check out one more. Are you looking for a smarter way to write? Then check out HelloScribe's AI powered writing assistant. This video will show you all the features and benefits of using HelloScribe, which includes faster writing, improved accuracy, and plenty more. Plus see how it is to use this, how easy it is to use this powerful tool. Great. And let me show you about the brainstorming feature. Let's say you want to brainstorm. Uh, so you can see, give me content ideas for AI powered copy, AI powered video making tools. So you can see it is showing it's a fair length, and then I click on generate and see what it is going to give me. It's doing its magic right now, and the tool is pretty fast. So it has given me all these different outputs: a guide to creating engaging AI powered videos, learn how to create compelling and captivating visuals using the latest AI powered video making tools, the benefits of AI powered video editing, discover how utilizing AI powered video editing can save time and increase creativity. So yes, it has given me ideas, and you can generate ideas for any topic of your choice, of your need, whatever you want. And you can also choose any other tool and generate the content. So basically, a HelloScribe is going to give you the outputs, which you can modify according to your need, or you can just simply use them as it is as well. Now, talking about the different price points for uh, HelloScribe, so let me show you the pricing. And I have got a very special deal for you as well. So don't skip the video and watch towards the end, as I'll be showing you a very cool deal for HelloScribe. So these are the two monthly plans which are available, Maverick and Squad. Maverick plan will cost you $49 per month, which is for single user and unlimited runs. And Squad is for $149 per month for 5 users. And they have also got these annual plans, and you'll be billed annually, and that will give you some discounts. So Maverick is for $499 and Squad is for $1495 per billed annually. So these are the standard plans for HelloScribe, but let me show you some cool deal for you. So the deal which I have got for you is this. So there are two options: license tier 1 for one time purchase of just $79. So you're going to get one user plan with 15,000 words generated per month. And the other plan is for $199 one time purchase, which is for 5 users and unlimited words generated per month. Yes, you heard it right. It is just $199 one time price for unlimited words. You do not have to worry about these plans, these monthly plans, and the hefty annual plans. So, if you click on the link in the description down below, you can pick up any of these two plans. So, make sure you get these. So, make sure you get these plans as soon as you watch this video, because these deals may not be available for a long time. So again, just click on the link in the description down below, and you can check out HelloScribe and pick up any of these one-time purchase plans for yourself. And guys, if you have any questions about HelloScribe, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.